Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my another videos home decoration ideas 289. This video is amazing for you. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite home decoration ideas. Today's video is in which we will tell you how you can decorate the laundry room, which comes with a clothes washing machine in a very beautiful design. I am going to share it with you, and after this comes a clothes drying machine in which you can easily, and it is very nice looking of your favorite home laundry room decoration ideas. Latest designing United States country style here and there. And apart from this, you can see that this is a very lovely machine. It is an automatic clothes washing machine in which you put the clothes, and the clothes themselves come out clean and happy and nice looking of your favorite home interior decoration ideas. I show your picture of small laundry room decoration and small laundry room decor. Laundry decorations machines, automatics, clothes machine washing, cleaning and drying machines. It is great nice looking, and if you find this video interesting, then please like and share it and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. And very important videos of your favorite home laundry room decoration ideas. I hope you like it this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families and all groups, and it is nice looking your favorite home decoration ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.